Can you make it pop? Oh, okay. Now squeeze. Woo! Ready to pop it? Ooh. Like this. Ready? Now squeeze. Pop! Flips it over. Okay. There, now squeeze. Where did it go? Down here. Oh, there's no bean in there. Here's a bean. That's going to be a good one. Squeeze it. There, now squeeze it. From the bottom. What are you eating?
Bean.
Oh, what kind of bean?
Green.
Green. Oh.
Green. Bean.
Yeah. Are they called popper beans? All that's left in the bowl is just one bean.
I'll take it.
Yay! All done.